Hi guys, this is Professor Shailesh Kale. As far as this distance learning program is concerned, it is almost like a hybrid program where each student gets insights from variety of industries followed by workshop sessions, industrial visits, experiential learning and so on and so forth. And that could be one of the reasons why we call this program as a hybrid program. Also today we are conducting one workshop which is based on sales, marketing and overall how to create energies and synergies and see to it that we are creating some value function for the group as well as for the brand. Now this workshop has been attended by people from various streams and they are getting a lot of insights as far as our industry connect is concerned, our experiences is concerned, and wherever we have connect, definitely we are going to connect them in a big way.
As far as pricing is concerned, are they not making the product more affordable for the mass as well as for the class?
Very minor.
Who noticed this? But how did this miss out from this system as a
That is the like process.
It's a human error, I may say. It's a human error.
There is no sales without an organization. Right? It can be one person's organization, it can be 100 people's organization. So organization is very important. I will tell you what is more about the organization.
Hi, I'm Saroj Chadha. I'm working with Mittetsu World Express Private Limited, a Japanese MNC, and I am attending. I'm doing my PGDM-Hybrid course from Welingkar's WeSchool, and I'm finding it very interesting and helping to boost my career. Today I have attended Art of Sales Mastery workshop, which is really interesting in building your career as well as it helps your increase your knowledge and wealth and prosperity.